Growing up, we didn't have a lot of money. My mother and daddy there wasn't dental insurance and stuff like that, so I didn't go to the dentist very often. And then as I got older, when I did go, it just was not pleasant at all. And so I guess I developed a fear of going, and so everything just deteriorated from there. My job that I had to facilitate meetings, so I had to, talk a lot, and I had to really cover up because I couldn't smile anymore. I couldn't open my mouth up. It was horrible. Used to, I was very conscious going out, and when I'd meet people and talk to them, I was very conscious about how much I opened my mouth. Didn't talk near as much as I wanted to. Now I don't even think about it. It's not even a consideration now. So I would only go when the pain got bad enough to have something done, and then I just started having them pulled. Over a weekend, I was down to, I knew that the one good front tooth I thought I had left, I could see the cracking in it, and then I got an infection. And over that weekend, I was in such pain, and his commercial came up on the TV. I talked to the receptionist, but to be honest, I was a mess. I was in tears because I was hurting, and I was just wanted something done. So she put Bo on the phone with me, and oh my gosh, that made a world of difference, because he was able to reassure me that they could get me in over here and they would fix it. They would fix whatever the problem was. When I first came in and just sat down and talked to Dr. Cutbirth and Pam, and from the get-go, they made me feel comfortable. And I was still shaking, I was still on the verge of tears, and they calmed that fear just immediately. I told him the same story I just told you. And he said, "We'll fix it, no problem." It was very painless. From the first exam to the one I had last week, everything's been painless. I have not had any fears coming in here. They all know your name when you walk in, make you feel at home. Now I look forward to them because it's so pleasant to come in here, and everybody knows me, and they make sure I'm comfortable. One of my nieces said, "Oh, your mom would be so proud," because that's one thing she'd wanted me to do. It just made me a lot happier. Yeah, being able to smile. I found the smile again.